Hey, Van, and anyone else in the future who may watch this video. I want to go through building a campaign and how I set campaigns up and kind of my process and what this looks like. So here we have the link. This is going to be a video campaign. So with video campaigns, you have to have a YouTube link. That's the most important thing. So you will usually get this either directly from the client or it will be sent to you via Monday. Once our team uploads it, you might actually be the person uploading it. So you'll have the link, right? That's an important thing. I usually have a tab open just for the link. Then you're going to go ahead and build the campaign. So the first thing is obviously setting the campaign type. I'll go back up and go over that in a second. But the biggest things are the location targeting. So where are we showing the ads? And then um, where or where's our targeting? What's the audience? Who are we showing the ads to? So people who are interested in dentists, people who are interested in, and we'll go over that next. So the first thing is the location targeting in our Google Drive. So if you go into the Google Drive, so this is for Atlanta Dental Spa. You can see welcome to Atlanta Dental Spa. In each client folder, you go to Atlanta Dental Spa. Here you'll see targeting for ad campaigns. So this is our targeting folder. In here, you'll see the zip code targeting list. These are the list of zip codes that I'm using. I have them written down on a piece of paper. But so that is what I'm going through first, is you're making sure that the targeting matches what we have identified with the client as being the targeting that we would want for our ad campaigns. So we have this for each client. We have a folder. It might not be labeled the same, but we'll have a folder or a place going through the targeting. So first thing for me is putting in the targeting. I'm going to finish this up really quickly. So we have a list of zip codes. If you have zip codes, those are the most accurate and the preferred way to target. But obviously, it'll sometimes be a location targeting. It will be, you'll do a radius off of a certain address in a neighborhood that they'd like to target. There's a lot of different options. But first, we want to just set a location targeting. So click search. I'm adding these in bulk. So when you add multiple zip codes, it's really easy. You can add them all in. You can make sure they all populate, and then you really easily just go target all. They all get added. You can see all of our targeting for right there, up and down and through here. So click save. Now I've done our location targeting. This video, and this is going to be the next thing that we are going to focus on. So this video, again, you'll have to watch each video and kind of get an idea of what it's for. This is a branding video. So when we say branding videos, it's a video that's talking about the practice, their approach to dentistry, what makes them different, showing off their office, their technology, just letting people know about their business. It's about a minute long. So for this, we just want people to become aware of the practice and to learn more about it. So for that, I'm using a video campaign with the goal of product and brand consideration, getting people to consider, become more familiar, learn more about this practice. I labeled it consideration skippable, zip codes, welcome to ADS 2023. We'll have processes for labeling these. I think Eric actually, we've set this up. I'm doing it wrong. He's going to be bumped. It's consideration skip. So consideration skip, the targeting of where I'm showing the ads, welcome to ADS 2023. It's important that you know what videos are being used. So if you're going to use a bunch of patient stories, do patient stories. If you're going to do patient stories for Invisalign, I can show you later in a different campaign, say, hey, Invisalign stories or videos. Our bid strategy, maximum cost per view. So we're just trying to get the most views for the lowest cost. We're trying to create, again, awareness about this brand. So our daily budget, this varies because this is a new video and it's something the client really likes. I'd probably do about $8 a day. I set the start date to today. There's no real issues with that. Video partners on the display network. I don't want to advertise on video partners. I really just want to show YouTube videos and YouTube search results. We want to keep it strictly to YouTube. Again, we went through all of our geographic targeting with the zip codes. English is the language. Related videos. So what you can do here is offer related videos to the ad. So this requires that we go back to the YouTube channel. And so we can find related videos that would be similar to this branding video. So, boom, 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 boom. Da, 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 da. So we could do technology at Atlanta Dental Spa.
A couple of minutes ago,
So
these two golfers were pretty similar. They both struggled to make solid contact with the ball. Hey, Dr. Young here, and we at Atlanta Dental Spa are always striving.
So we can put that video in here, paste it, right? So that's one, and then I just need to find another one. Again, you're looking for videos that would be similar. So this is a branding video talking about the practice and what they're doing. We want to kind of create an idea about what this practice is. It could be, to our new Buckhead office, or announcing our new Buckhead location. This would be a good one. Right? So we're showing off the new, again, it's more about awareness. If it was a patient story, right? So we're talking about a patient who had a smile makeover or got a new smile, we'd want videos of a new patient, showing what their new smile looks like. So done, put those in there. So we put that in there. Add group. So this is going to be the audience that we're targeting. So dentist, general dentistry interests. So for this video, because it's a branding video, because again, we're just going after we just want people who might be interested in a new dentist to learn about this office and its mission. What we're going to focus on is just people who are interested in the dentist or general dentistry interest. So we keep the gender open. Age, I typically don't target people between 18 and 24, just because I don't think they have a lot of purchasing power. I think people in that age group still probably use their parents' dentists or whatever family dentist they might have had growing up. Parental status, I don't care about. And then because this is a high-end boutique, expensive office, we want to do the top 30% of household income. So you'll see the impressions and how many people the ads will be shown to populating over here. Now here's where important, audience segment. So there's several different ways to specifically target people. So we can do keywords. We could do keyword. We could just do keywords for people who are searching for dentists, top dentists. Actually, you know what? Let's do that. So we'll go here. We'll do dentist, best dentist, Atlanta. So what I'm doing here is thinking about, so a couple of things with these um, quotation marks. What they're doing is that's creating a phrase match. So I'm putting in phrases that people might search for on Google, and we're able to use that data to target people on YouTube. So best dentist Atlanta, best dentist ATL, best dentist Atlanta, new dentist, top dentist. I think I spelled Atlanta wrong. Atlanta, family dentist, cosmetic dentist. Um, we could probably even go like new smile, broken tooth. So you can kind of see, and then you can see the impressions go way down, right? So we went from 10 million to 20,000. So we go right here. We could do topics. We could do placements. Placements is where you put videos on a specific channel or within video lineups or inside of specific YouTube videos. So example, if you're selling something for like hunting, you might want to put it on Joe Rogan's podcast videos because Joe Rogan's a big hunter and people who listen to his podcast generally like hunting. So it might make more sense. We're not going to do that because we're going to focus more on local videos. But so you can see now the available impressions. So now we're at 20,000. That's pretty low. So what I'm actually going to do, so I'll copy this, but I'll delete it. Now you see we go back up to 10 million. So let's see if we can make a bigger audience using what are called custom audiences. So here I can select this audience, and now you'll see 11 million. So our audience actually went up a bit. So what we go through is we can actually go through and see dentist, dentist near me, emergency dentist, new smile, tooth, broken tooth, smile. So it's the same words, but these are interest or purchase intentions. So 70% non-parents, age, topics tends to be male. What if we can switch it? We can go for people who searched for any of these terms on Google. Dentistry, let's do this. Searches. Add this. Family dentist. So again, I'm putting in search terms that people might search for on Google. It doesn't show us our weekly impressions, but we can save it. We save that audience, dentist, dentist, customer. Okay, so now you can go here. Not all of the words are approved for Google Ads policy. That's fine. So we have that audience. What we could also probably do is do new smile, smile makeover. And that should probably be enough. So we have these two audiences. So we'll use these two audiences and see which gets the most reach. So now we're not going to do keywords or topics. We won't do any of this targeting. Now we're ready to create the ad. So again, you have your link here. You copy that link. You put it in here. We want it to be skippable in stream. The final URL, because it's a branding video, so it's not specific to any service, we'll just send them to the home page. Again, if this were something for a, for example, for like a veneer or Invisalign or specific service, we'd want to send them to that page. But because we're just promoting the practice, we'll send them to the home page. Call to action. You only get so many characters. We typically will do learn more. The name of the video, welcome to ADS. Add name, welcome to ADS 2023, right? Bid. So now we need to put our maximum cost per view. This is the most that we want to pay per view. Usually we get views, and you'll learn this. We usually get views for 4, 5, 6 cents, but we want to bid much higher than that because we want to show Google that we're willing to pay to get our campaign out to the community and to the people that we want to see the ads. So then you click create campaign and you wait for Google to approve the campaign. And that's kind of the process for creating a new campaign. So it's very straightforward. Once you've done it a few times, there is a lot of thinking that goes into the targeting, what would be the best audiences, how to reach people. But I thought this would be a helpful video for you as you're learning to build campaigns and kind of keep growing. So, okay, that's it. I hope whoever watches this, Van, anyone else, you have a great rest of your day. Bye.